Want to make your Excel sheets more dynamic and visually appealing? Today, I'll show you how to create a color drop-down list in Excel, step by step. Perfect for professionals, students, and casual users alike. Okay, let's dive in. Let's say we're managing a simple task tracker. In column A, we have task names. In column B, we want to add a drop-down list for task status, with color indicators like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. First, select the cells in column B where you want the drop-down. Say B2 to B10. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Choose List. And set the source as D2 to D4. Finally, click OK. Now you have a functional drop-down list. Let's add color to each status to make it visually clear. Green for completed, yellow for in progress, and red for not started. Select the range B2 to B10 again. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Then choose New Rule. Select Format only cells that contain. Now apply rules one by one. For completed, format cells with a value equal to completed. Click on Format. Go to the Fill tab and choose Green. Finally, click OK. Create a new rule for cells equal to In Progress. Choose a yellow fill color and confirm by clicking OK. Now, create one more rule for cells equal to Not Started. Select a red fill color and click OK. Once all rules are applied, Excel will automatically color code each status in the drop-down list, making your task tracker visually clear and easy to manage. Try selecting status in column B. You'll instantly see the corresponding color applied. This is a great way to improve project tracking, task management, or even dashboards, all within Excel. And that's how you create a color drop-down list in Excel. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick and powerful Excel tips. Thanks for watching.